Hello, this is Joey Jezequel, and I'm going to do my presentation on my TechTip. What I'm going to be using today or demonstrating with you guys is my Bitmoji classroom. Now you can set this up through Google Slides. You can see I have all my teaching lessons that I do virtually on here as well, but I'm going to click here into my Bitmoji classroom and share with you guys how this works. So first of all, for the Bitmoji classroom, my favorite thing about it is it's super customizable. I was able to choose this background with to make it look at something similar to the gym that I use. And I got basketball goals on the wall. I got posters and stuff in my actual gym. So I try to make it as similar to that as possible. What you can do with your Bitmoji classroom, or why I suggest you use it, is it makes me super organized. I have everything that I could possibly use located inside this, and the best part about it is that everything's like one click away. So for example, if you click on this Varner PE here, this actually brings you to a video demonstration of like what you will do in the PE class. I also have it linked to the Cobb Teach and Learning System. This little link here brings you to the CCLS page, which is great for like parents. So like parents and teachers and students would all be using this. This also links to our school website here. If you click on this, just showing you a quick demonstration there. This is the CCLS Parent, which is the communication tool that the teachers use in the county with the parents. This also brings you to and I'll just show you that just so we all see. I guess it's down for the moment. This actually brings you to the Cobb County page. I specifically clicked it for Varner since that is our school. I also linked it with some of my favorite sports teams like you see here. Like for example, I know the Yankees are playing right now, so I'll click on the Yankees. It actually brings it to the New York Yankees page because I like to have a little more fun with it. Another thing, I have it linked with the social media that is linked to our school. So each one of these, the Facebook, the Instagram, and the Twitter, are all linked. As well as my Flipgrid is linked if you click on my little Bitmoji here. It'll bring you to that. And I have some of the objects that you see down here on the floor. They actually bring you to different things that we do in class. Like for example, speed stacking is one of our popular lessons and units that we do at my school. You click on that, it actually brings you to a website to order some different stacks that you could play with at home. It also has, like if you click on the hoops here, it brings you to a lesson on levels. If you click the cone back here, this also brings you to another lesson that I did, which is pretty cool. So the value is it keeps you super organized, and you can have it as like a one-stop shop for everything that you could do in your class. So that's a little tech tip for you guys. Thank you very much.